I said, please, let's not do politics anymore. Just tell me, what is the forward movement on this?
The forward movement is very clear. You both only tell whether we have to read these cards are out or no. Let us come to a conclusion in this debate only. You tell me first. Should we read these cards or no?
Should we do what? Your audio is not clear.
Should we weed these cards out or no? All ineligible cards.
You should weed out cards, but you should have given them notices. You should have communicated. You did not. You did not. Just by putting a poster. No. Did your officers go? Did the government officers go? Everyone is reading newspaper, is it? Arey, come on. Yeah. People have to read newspapers and say, why? When you are campaigning, don't you go door to door?
You cannot go to every house and tell no.
Why during campaigning, Satya, you go door to door, no? Brother, what is this?
That we do once in 5 years.
This is people oriented. You are supposed to do it. You have funds to do it. You basically did not. I think your intention was superb.
I think the problem is with you. You want to pick up all the policies on everyday basis. We will have policies on everyday basis. You want to tell that these policies will affect people, and we are doing these policies because of guarantees. What has guarantees got to do with this? Ineligible people who should not be in the BPL category.
Who
are
said?
there for donkey's years,
Satya
and this
Prakash.
BJP is sleeping.
Satya, you
BJP
can
guys are
always.
sleeping.
Satya.
Modi himself.
Where did Modi come into all this? I don't understand.
To weed out 4.7 crore BPL, fake BPL cards.
All
Modi
right.
himself has said.
So you are following Modi now, but you've not followed the process that he said you should. Somewhere there is a mistake.
What should be the process? What should be
Correct
the
it.
process?
Correct the mistake. That's all I'm saying. I'm asking you for a positive.
Exactly.
Correct it.
That is exactly what we have done. Now we have identified. If few percentage of them have some problem, they can always go to the PDS and say, I am a true beneficiary. Why are you removing it? We will restore it.
But they are not
We will do
getting
an
good
audit and
responses.
restore it.
Otherwise, why should they come in front of the media and say, listen, I'm dying of cancer. Listen, I'm disabled. Where do I go? What about old, disabled, ailing people? See, it's very complicated, Satya Prakash. I'm not saying that you've done your intention was superb, but the method to the madness was all wrong.
Like that you can pick up 100 holes in every policies that we do, and for 100 times you can keep on telling, did you go to the people, did you go to the people, did you go to the people?
All right, I think
That anyone can do, any Tom, Dick and Harry can do on a daily basis.
we are not talking about Tom, Dick and Harry. We are talking about the people of Karnataka, Kannadigas. They voted you in. You owe them. Thank you, Satya Prakash ji, and thank you,
Absolutely.
Dr.
I'm
Sudha Alkai.
asking
I have to move on. It's not